Here we go. So welcome back to another video. In this video we're testing the AKA paint. I've used the white before, but I've never used some proper colours, so this is what we have. Purples, a couple of different purples, a couple of different blues, and that is it. Oh, got black and white. And then I'm going to be using some other colours. Oh, I've got orange as well, forgot about that. So, Spanish paint, about 90 colours in the range out of this 400ml series. It is modular pressure, and it's a matte paint, which is really cool. I like matte paint. So yeah, get sketching up, and yeah, see what it's like. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Let me do dark purple at the bottom. Really strange, some of these cans are like loop, and other cans have got a donut like that, like a regular can. So yeah, not sure which is old stock, which is new stock. Alright, super Cobra fat cap thing. See what happens. here we are, the end of this video. I hope you liked the piece. Quick review of the AKA paint. It's pretty good. I don't know what else to say about it really. There's not too much to say, it's just a reasonably good brand. Can't remember how much it costs. Covers pretty well. Works well with the fat cap, works well with the skinny cap. Yeah, I would buy it again. So that's all you really need to know. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe. Like this video, drop a comment, tell me whether you've used AKA paint before, and whether you would use it again, and what is your favourite brand of paint. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.